Today I'm taking a look at the TP-Link 5-port Gigabit Desktop PoE Plus switch. So here is the switch. You got a couple of LEDs for power, PoE max. We also have our speed indicators. We do have slots on the bottom, so if we want to mount this, we can. We have our power input, that is a 1.31 amp, 53.5 volt. So PoE has kind of a range that it can output in. Normally you're going to be looking for about 48 volts, but 53.5 is definitely within that range. On top of that, that is going to be able to accommodate a very long run to take into account for voltage drop. We have a Kensington lock, and we have switches for extend and recovery. On the sides, just some ventilation. We got our power cable, and we got our power supply. So that is TP-Link branded. That is a 100, 240 volt input, so that's good for international or domestic. And it outputs 70 watts, 1.31 amps at 53.5 volts. And we've also got some rubber feet if we want to attach that to the switch. So this is the reason I wanted this one. This can accommodate up to gigabit speed. So as we're going into 4K cameras and much higher bandwidth requirements, it is good to have that as an option. It has a switching capacity of 10 gigabit per second to 32 gigabit per second. And we have the explanation for the LED indicators. So fairly standard. Green is going to be our gigabit and yellow is going to be our 10 or 100 megabits. So plug in power. Again, so we got our green LED lit up and we got our power on self-test. And check for voltage. And we can confirm that we are getting 53.9 volts on both of the green lines. So we have a max power 31.4 watts. PoE protocol is IEEE 802.3 AT. Polarity is 12- 36 plus. And PoE modes is N-span. So very happy to see that we are in fact getting voltage out of those ports. And 53.9 volts out of that socket as well. Also with the 31.5 watts. So yeah, if you're upgrading your cameras, you want to make sure that you have the speed as well as the power to power those guys. This is going to be an excellent switch to make that happen.